Na malinaw yung utos ng ating sa konstitusyon na dapat magkaroon kaagad-agad ng trial. Anong ibig sabihin ng trial? Ay pakinggan na tanggapin na yung ebidensya, yung mga testigo at iba pang mga ebidensya. Yan ay hindi pa rin nangyayari hanggang ngayon. Imbis na gawin yon ay kung ano-ano mga ginagawa ng Senado. Kaya
Thesaurus Olympics yata, Semantics Olympics. Kung not dismissed from a constitutional standpoint, may basihan ba yung ginawa nila kahapon?
Walang-wala. As in zero.
So this is unconstitutional?
Yes, definitely.
So you're expecting the Supreme Court to come in eventually? Anong mga dapat gawin ng tao?
Well, tingin ko, unang-una dapat marinig ang boses ng sambayan ng Pilipino at kailangan natin na yanigin ang Senado hanggat makita nila na dapat sundin nila yung utos ng bayan dahil yung saligang batas ay bayan ang gumawa niya.
At huling point, since very colorful and happy colors tayo, how do you feel being part of the most successful party list in the history of party list?
Extremely, I'm ecstatic. Thank you.
And what are you looking for? What should people look forward to in the next 3 years?
Marami tayong gawin at nakahanda na po yung aming legislative agenda.
Salamat, Chel. Attorney Dino, good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
Dramatic circumstances. Ano
yan? Kailangan.
Occupy Senate pa to. Oh my God, nag-occupy Senate yung mga kasama natin. Ito. Alam natin may House of Piatos. May Team Piatos dyan. But were you surprised na ganyan ka-brazen ginawa nilang Thesaurus Olympics kahapon?
Well, alam mo, doon sa Senado na to, hindi na ako nasusurprise eh. Hindi ko nga alam kung aasa pa ako kasi ang sakit lagi na umasa eh. No?
There's no floor.
Pero meron silang mga false hope na ibibigay eh. Itatransmit daw nila yung isasummons daw nila. Tapos sabihin nila, i-convene nila. Pero in the end, ibabalik rin pala nila. So ano ba talaga? Hindi ko naman alam na nag-elect tayo ng mga basketball player. Ang galing mag-dribble, di ba?
Hindi ibang sports na
ibang klase. Ibang klase. So ako, sa akin lang, if the institutions are not working, it's up to the people to take back democracy. We have to make sure that the Senate will do its job. This is part of democracy. We are exercising our constitutional right to free speech and to organize. All of these things are part of the Constitution. This is a guaranteed right na inallocate ng mga taong bayan para sa sarili nila.
And may constitutional basis pa itong remit, remand, this whole remit, remand thing. I mean, what the heck?
Wala. Kasi alam mo, ang impeachment court, hindi sila higher court sa House of Representatives ha. Yung House of Representatives, when they already transmitted the articles of impeachment, tapos na ang trabaho nila.